Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and unplugging the HyperX Cloud II. Remove the detachable mic, cable, and ear cushions now. Use a small Phillips and gently pry off foam pads. This gives access to drivers and headband. Clean debris with a soft brush and vacuum on low because loose grit damages fabric and drivers. Once the pads are off, place screws and parts in separate containers to avoid loss. This quick disassembly prevents moisture reaching electronics when you begin deeper cleaning. You now clean the drivers and pads carefully. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe grill edges. Avoid the speaker cone to prevent damage. Hand wash foam or fabric ear pads in mild soap and water. Rinse thoroughly, then press moisture out with a towel and let them air dry upright for about 24 hours so no dampness remains. Use cotton swabs and compressed air to remove dust from crevices and headband seams. These steps restore hygiene and maintain acoustic performance. Once everything is dry, you reassemble. Align and press the foam pads back, reconnect the mic and cable, and tighten any screws you removed. Test audio at low volume, then increase. Listen for balance, rattles, or distortion. Check microphone clarity with a recording. If you hear issues, power down and reseat connectors or try a spare cable because loose contacts often cause problems. If distortion remains, inspect driver membranes for damage. Replacing pads or contacting support will solve hardware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.